In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut PC. If you've got a clip that was recorded sideways, or you want to mirror the image so movement, framing, or on-screen text appears in the opposite direction, CapCut makes it very quick to fix. This is one of those simple edits that can completely change how your footage looks, and the good news is that you can do it in just a few clicks. Let's start with flipping, also called mirroring, your video. First, click on the video clip in your timeline so it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit. Once your clip is selected, look at the small toolbar directly above the timeline tracks. There you'll find the flip button. It looks like two triangles facing each other. Click that button and CapCut will instantly flip your video horizontally. You'll see the image reverse right away, giving you a clean mirror effect. This is especially useful if you want a subject to face the other direction, or if the composition works better when everything is reversed. Now let's rotate a video that was shot sideways or upside down. With your clip still selected on the timeline, go back to that same toolbar above the timeline and find the rotate icon right next to the flip button. Click it once, and CapCut rotates the clip by 90 degrees. If your footage still isn't upright, keep clicking. Each click adds another 90-degree turn, so you can quickly cycle through the positions until the video is right side up. This is the fastest method when you just need a standard quarter-turn rotation. If you need more control than that, CapCut also lets you set a custom angle. Select your clip on the timeline, then move over to the top right Properties panel. Under Video, open the Basic section and scroll down until you see Rotate. Here you can type in an exact degree value if you want something precise, or drag the angle wheel to make smaller adjustments. This is perfect for subtle horizon corrections, straightening footage that's just a little off, or creating a more dramatic diagonal tilt for style. And that's it. You now know how to flip a clip, rotate it in 90-degree steps, and fine-tune the angle when needed in CapCut PC.